taking pictures of just
they're out there.
Yeah, water snakes and things like that. You don't see a lot of rattlesnakes here in East Texas.
Yeah, copperheads, really.
Oh yeah, the copperheads. You'll see a lot of those. And today would be the day where they're looking for something to eat because, as Casey mentioned, it was very warm outside. 81 degrees was your high temperature. 69 is the normal. And folks, you got to go all the way back to 1918. 89 was the record high. We were about 8 degrees shy of that for today. Now, as we look at your temperatures right now, we are in the 70s and 80s. Tyler and Longview have cracked the lower 80s. So has Henderson, Nacogdoches, and Lufkin. About 6 or 7 degrees warmer than where we were at this point yesterday. Tonight, it remains warm, 69, partly cloudy skies, highs back into the lower 80s tomorrow, despite some cloud cover that will move in overnight tonight. Satellite and radar, moisture continuing to filter in. We've got front that provides lift, and we also have temperatures in the lower 80s, which will create some instability in the atmosphere. Those three ingredients together, that will spark our storm chances as we move into tomorrow. So we'll start Futurecast out right now. I want to show you how the cloud cover will increase overnight tonight. Watch this. We're seeing mostly cloudy skies tomorrow morning, and like what we saw this morning, I know a lot of people told me this morning that they woke up to a few droplets on the windshield. It was kind of drizzly outside. Well, that's certainly true. I would expect the same for tomorrow morning. It's not until tomorrow afternoon that's when we do begin to see a few breaks in the cloud cover, and as a result of that, we do begin to track a few showers and thunderstorms that will be moving from southwest to northeast. You can see the breaks in the clouds there. That's 4 o'clock. By 6 o'clock, we're seeing storms potentially from Hopkins County over to Cass County and off to the north into the northwest. Well, look at this. Tyler, Longview pointing off to the south. We're pretty dry through 9 o'clock tomorrow evening, so I may actually need to lower those rain chances a bit. But the front's going to move in. There's your chance at widespread rain. We could see some marginally severe weather in deep East Texas at noontime tomorrow, where we could see some pocket change hail, maybe some gusty winds. But as the front moves through, it will give us a little bit of a break in the rain as we move into Saturday morning. Primary threats will be wind and hail, especially along into the north of Interstate 20. This yellow means we could see 60+ mile-per-hour winds. Nothing all that much stronger than 60 miles per hour. I don't anticipate a line of showers and thunderstorms to move through. I'd say the highest severe weather threat we have would be for large hail. We will be in the lower 80s, strong updrafts, larger hailstones there. But as we look at the tornado probability, it's pretty low, folks. 2% chance anywhere in this green right here that we do see a tornado within 25 miles. Damaging winds, large hail, as I mentioned, primary, secondary threats would be tornadoes and flash flooding. I would say the flash flooding threat, that's going to be more so of a factor as we move into Friday and we do begin to see that widespread rain. But here are the next 7 days. As I mentioned before, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all have rain and storm chances. We'll be in the 60s Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, with an isolated shower being a possibility Wednesday. And then as we look at deep East Texas, same deal. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, a few showers around Sunday. Will be dry Monday and Tuesday. Casey.
Carson, thank you.